Do you want to unmute someone on Instagram posts and Reels notes? You can unmute notes from Instagram Reels and posts with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to unmute someone on Instagram posts and Reels notes. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To unmute someone on Instagram from posts and Reels notes. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, go to the profile of the person you want to unmute for posts and Reels notes. You can also search to find the profile of the person you want to unmute. Now, under their profile picture and bio, you will see the following and message buttons. To unmute someone, tap on the following button. A pop-up menu will appear with several options. From the pop-up, select Mute. Here you will see various options. Turn off the toggle switch next to Notes on Posts and Reels. Now, you have successfully unmuted the specific person for Instagram posts and Reels.